Welcome back to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. So in this video, we're gonna try something new. We're gonna scan Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunities on KuCoin. And for the love of crypto arbitrage, as you already know that this is the new year, we're not gonna stop Triangular Crypto Arbitrage and stuff like that, because this is the easiest way to pretty much make money in crypto and stuff like that. So if you're about crypto and all that, make sure you join and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out anything. And without any further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and scan for Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunities on KuCoin. But let's get right into it without wasting any time. So as you already know that we're gonna scan for Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunities on KuCoin, right? So right here, I'm just gonna select a crypto exchange that we're gonna scan on, and you already know that we're scanning on KuCoin crypto exchange. Should be somewhere else right here, or you can just search. So the amount we're gonna use is gonna be 150 USD, and I wanna see the top 10 at least. All right, I wanna see the top 10. Profit threshold should be 0.3 and maximum total should be at least 10,000, just like that. The way settings are don't change anything, and then once you do that, just gonna go ahead and click apply. And right here it says it has found 7 opportunities, and the best profit is 3.8%, 3.841%, which is the first one right here. And of course, average profit is 1.881. This is what it all is all about. You know what I mean? So looking at right here, you can see that first one is USDT, ETH, and BTC. This is the same as this first one. It's just vice versa, so don't get confused. And then right here we have got USDT, BTC, then XMR, then USDT, right? So I guess we're just gonna take this one right here, and also, by the way, these arbitrage opportunities can last up to 3 minutes, especially Bitcoin and USDT. Bitcoin and Ethereum can last from 1 to 3 minutes and stuff like that. And then the altcoins usually from 6 to 10 minutes. That's why I always trade with altcoins and stuff like that. So right here we can see that our best one is XMR. Right here, XMR. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this one right here. All right, so I'll see you in my phone, and I'll be recording live in my phone. All right, guys, so now we're in my phone, and pay attention because I'm recording this video live, and these are exact same steps that you're gonna need to follow. All right, so let's just get right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see, this is 150 USD that we put on the scanner, and this is exactly what we're going to use in this video. So first thing first, we're going to have to get some BTC right here. All right, as you can see, so we're going to spend 100% of our available balance, which is 150, to get some BTC. And remember, you always need to start with USDT and then go to the following pair that the scanner showed you. So let's use a market order, and we're gonna spend 100% right here to get some BTC. All right, so let's do this right now. So right now, as you can see, our order has successfully executed right here. As you can see, we've got some BTC, right? This one 0.00167 worth of BTC. All right, so now we're gonna have to get some XMR. So let's search for XMR right here. XMR, right? And remember, you always have at least 6 minutes when you're trading altcoins. With Ethereum, you have like 2 minutes and stuff like that. And I always recommend altcoins and all that. You know what I mean? So now we're gonna search XMR to BTC right here. All right, so we're gonna have to buy some XMR using BTC that we just bought. All right, as you can see, I don't have any XMR right here. So we're gonna spend 100% to get some XMR, and then just gonna go ahead and click buy again. And just like that, we have got now some XMR. All right, so now we're gonna have to go ahead and sell this XMR to USDT. You know what I mean? And you can do this Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunities as many times as you can, as long as it's still available. All right. So it's gonna search XMR to USDT. All right, just like this right here. All right, so we're gonna have to sell this XMR to USDT. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and click 100% like this and sell it to USDT. All right, just like that. So we started with 50 USD, and let's see. So you can see that our trade has gone through successfully, and you can see that we started with 50 USD, and then now we have 153 USD, exactly as predicted on the scanner. And this is exactly why I always recommend Triangular Crypto Arbitrage. It's very simple and way better than any other method of trading in crypto and stuff like that. So for those who don't know, I'm using Triangular Crypto Arbitrage scanner. And of course, some people are asking me how exactly you can get it. Well, you can get it from heavycryptouniversity.online, or you can just, fill up your information right here. I recommend this plan because, you're going to get access for lifetime and stuff like that. And you're not going to need to renew your subscription. You know what I mean? So this is the only deal that was available in December and is still available right now in January. You know what I mean? But all you have to do is just to choose your plan and all that, and then you're going to get access code to your email, right? But so the link to the scanner is going to be in the description below, and therefore I'll send the video. Love and peace, and you can always contact the admin. All the numbers going to be in the description below as well, and therefore love and peace and cheers.